Hey YouTube, I'm at Grange, Kentucky at a museum, and this is what I found. I wish I can get on the stairs, but it's closed. Louisville and Nashville rail car leaking some water. It's a long rail car. And look at this! We got a nice little rail crossing. Nashville, Tennessee. This is beautiful. Look at caboose. And here's the funniest one. This is gonna be so good. I just decided to visit LaGrange to see some CSX action. But it has a face. YouTube, it's got a face. That's just amazing.
Oh, is it open? Oh, I didn't even know what was open. We just came up he just wanted to watch the thing go down. Ethan! We can go in there.
And the caboose and...
Yeah, let's go inside.
And here's the depot. More CSX action coming soon.